Here we go. Off the roof, clique, I see things. Then I spit it like, what did he say? Styles I display, get me paid, my goal is
and guess what? We back with another one. Shout out to the old lady's joint that she got when I had a good little fun time. You know, that's besides the point. You know what I'm saying? But what's going on with y'all? I know it's been a little minute. I mean, we ain't gonna do too much today. It's gonna be a little quick vlog. You know what I'm saying? Got some little exciting news for y'all. Last thing y'all seen was my truck. So with that being said, I'm about to go slide over to the garage, go pick up my heads for the motor, and go pick up my pistons for the motor so I can get them re-ringed and get my heads cleaned up so I can have everything ready, because I'm trying to put my motor together hopefully by April. So with that being said, you know what I'm saying, y'all gonna buckle up and let's go ahead and ride out to go get these to the garage, go pick these heads up, and then we're gonna ride out to Unk, and then we're gonna go from Unk, go out to the machine shop and see what the machine shop say. You know what I'm saying, I'll get with y'all when I get with y'all. Alright, we at the garage. I'm gonna try to make this quick. It's cold as hell. You see I got coveralls on, I got my boots, I got beanie on. You see all of this snow, and you see it's not a little bit of snow. But I just wanted to show y'all this real quick, because I gotta take these and put these in the garage. And I bought these yesterday for a steal for my truck. 50 bucks, can't really beat it, you know what I'm saying? These are actual S10 V8 headers. As you see, they got the groove so that the steering column can go straight through here. Because one of the biggest problems with putting a small block V8 inside of a little ass S10 is, one, the most they came with was a 6-cylinder. Two, it's a bigger motor. And on top of that, you gotta also run, you know what I'm saying, the headers, and it's just a whole lot, you know what I'm saying, of extra fuckery, you know what I mean? So we're gonna take these inside. We're gonna go grab these heads that I got. Damn, it's cold than a bitch in here. Still recording? You still doing what we do? Oh yeah, see, it's the block right here. Y'all don't know nothing about that. You know what I'm saying? It's just the block. That's the only little snippet y'all gonna get though, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep pushing, I gotta keep pushing. I can't show y'all too much, you know what I'm saying? But we gotta come down here, pick both of these heads up. These are my heads for that block, so we're gonna pick these up and we're gonna put them in the joint, you know what I mean? One head down. Second head. Damn, it's cold as shit. But got the heads. You go ahead and lock these doors. Got the heads, I got my pistons. Now we're gonna go peel over to Unc's house, and I'm gonna get my behind in this truck, and but I'm gonna sit up in this truck, go to Unc's house, and I'll get with y'all in a second, and we'll be headed to the machine shop, you know what I'm saying? So I'll get with y'all in a minute. saying? I told y'all, let y'all know, or give out, you know what I'm saying, get up with y'all. When I pulled up the Unk House, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I told y'all, let y'all know when I pull up the Unk House. And now I'm about to be pulling in the driveway right now. Damn. Everybody gone, huh? Come on. Well, now parked up at Unk House. You know what I'm saying? About to get up out of here and go see what's up with Unk. You know what I mean? I'll get with y'all when we headed to the machine shop to go drop the heads off. Alright, y'all, we out here at the machine shop. Me and Unk, we about to take the heads and take the pistons on inside so I can get them dropped off, fill out all my paperwork. You know what I'm saying? Once that's done, I'll get back with y'all. Damn, that motherfuckers is heavy. Don't be making no sense. Let's go get this paperwork done. Alright. And we back over at Unk House. You know what I'm saying? Made it back. Got the heads dropped off. Got the pistons dropped off. They're gonna put new rings on the pistons for me, clean up my heads, and give me a call back when those are done. But in the meantime, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna kick it with Unk for a little bit before I gotta go to work. Come up in here and get cracking down on the wood stove and cook up some fajitas. You know what I mean? I done get here trying to get fire going. Yeah. But catch up with y'all